Are you having a problem with your item not showing up on Facebook Marketplace? Let me show you exactly how to fix it really quick. Now I'm in one of my burner accounts here. I have hundreds of accounts that have access to Facebook Marketplace that I use for mass selling. It's how I make my money online. We're in a brand new sort of account here that I've let warm up over time. And you can see it's got 0 clicks on this listing. Now you may think that that item is not showing up. Now, the first thing you want to do to see if your item isn't showing is come to your item, okay? And all you want to do is come to this page right here. If you can't see your listings, you may have another problem where you've been actually banned on Facebook Marketplace. But as long as you have the option to see your listing, you can make it visible. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. So the very first, and it's pretty smart, is literally just to hit renew listing. If you have the option to renew your listing, this will give it a little boost back into the feed. And then if you go ahead and search in this exact search term, there is a good chance that that item is now going to pop up. If the option's not there to renew listing, because maybe it's a new item and you're thinking, what's going on? Nothing's being seen. Another sneaky way that you can make sure that your item is going to pop up is to actually come to edit listing. Now, when you hit edit listing, it's basically creating a whole new set of metadata for these products, and you might just change the title, okay? So I like to change the title, but I also like to change the category. So if we have it in women's clothing and shoes, this would make sense to move it to jewelry. So we're going to move it to jewelry, and we're just going to say the Amour, let's change it to Amour Designer B necklace. And then we're just going to hit update, and it's basically going to force Facebook to push it back through this manual reviewing process and then place it up. So it's a very cool way. Now, if you have a problem where you don't even have the option to see this, it most likely means you've been banned. So I'm going to leave a link to that video down below to show you how to fix your account if you've been banned. And I'm also going to show you guys in another video how you can scale these accounts by having multiple accounts. If you want multiple accounts and you drop ship, you can check the other link down below. You can just straight up buy accounts from me. I sell them in packs of 10 already, ready to go Facebook Marketplace accounts, so you can just copy all your products on and start absolutely dominating. I'll leave a link for everything down below. Hopefully that fixed it for you. I'll see you in the next video.